now offered at an amazing price of just $555,000. This 5,333 square foot vacant lot is waiting for your vision. Tucked away at the end of a quiet lane in Halikavila, Kaneohe, you'll be surrounded by the breathtaking Ko'ola Mountains. This R5 zone property is already cleared and ready for construction. Work with your own architect to design the perfect floor plan, or choose a home package kit with your favorite general contractor. Please note that buyers must conduct their own due diligence with their contractor and the Department of Plans and Permitting for building options. Enjoy this prime Windward Oahu location, located just minutes from Windward Mall, dining, shopping, and easy access to H3, Likelike, and Poly highways. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to build the home you've always dreamed of. Contact Jill or Jen today to secure this lot and start planning your future.